Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the stage and opening the Sounds tab so the sound attaches where you want it. Next, click Upload Sound and choose an MP3 or WAV file. WAV gives cleaner results. Once uploaded, rename the clip to something clear, then use the trim handles to remove silence. This immediate import-in trim step saves time later, and it ensures that when you call the sound in code, it plays exactly as intended without extra gaps. Once done trimming, use the editor to fade in or fade out and to adjust perceived volume. This helps sound sit well with other audio. If the file is long, split it into numbered clips so you can trigger parts precisely in sequence. You can also apply faster or echo effects to match game pace and test changes by clicking play. Make sure to preview with your project running, because timing and pitch may feel different in context than in the editor. Now, connect the sound to actions. Attach a play sound block to a sprite click or broadcast a message to sync multiple sounds. Control loudness with set volume to a number between 0 and 100 and use start sound when you need overlapping playback. If the sound doesn't play, try re-uploading or converting to a different format because codec issues are common. Also check mute settings and browser permissions. If clipping occurs, lower volume or use shorter clips for stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.